Berberine. A powerful supplement with many benefits. Berberine is a bioactive compound found in various plants, such as Philodendron amurans, Amur cork tree, Hydrastis canadensis, golden seal, and several shrubs from the Berberis genus. It has been long used in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine to treat health issues like infections. Interestingly, research suggests that berberine has powerful blood sugar lowering effects. This article explores the effects of berberine on blood sugar levels and how it may help manage diabetes. Elevated blood sugar levels characterize conditions like diabetes and prediabetes due to either decreased insulin production or decreased sensitivity to insulin. Although it's normal for your blood sugar levels to fluctuate throughout the day, prolonged high blood sugar levels can cause various health problems, including organ damage. A decent amount of animal research suggests berberine may help lower blood sugar levels via various pathways, including by the following: increasing insulin sensitivity, promoting insulin production, regulating metabolism, increasing glycolysis, or the breakdown of glucose, reducing glucose production in the liver, increasing nitric oxide, NO, production, which helps widen arteries, slowing carbohydrate absorption from the gut. Several studies among people with type 2 diabetes have shown that taking 600 to 2,700 milligrams of berberine daily may lower fasting and long-term blood sugar levels by up to 20% and 12%, respectively, especially when taken alongside blood sugar medication. Similarly, a review of 14 studies found that berberine lowered blood sugar levels and seemed to be as effective as common blood sugar medications, including metformin, glucophage, rosiglitazone, Avandia, and glipizide, glucotrol. Furthermore, research suggests berberine may help support the blood sugar lowering effects of other diabetes medications when taken alongside them. Therefore, berberine appears to be a promising blood sugar lowering treatment. This may be especially valuable to those who cannot take diabetes medications due to liver, kidney, or heart disease. Research suggests berberine may lower blood sugar levels and be as effective as some conventional diabetes medications in people with type 2 diabetes. However, most studies have administered 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams per day. Berberine has a half-life of several hours, so it doesn't last in your system for too long. Most berberine supplements contain 500 milligrams per capsule, and supplement labels often recommend taking berberine 3 times per day before meals. This equates to taking a total of 1,500 milligrams daily. Berberine is available in powder or capsule form and can be purchased from health stores and online. That said, you should always work with your healthcare provider before adding berberine to your daily routine. Most studies suggest taking 2 to 3 capsules throughout the day, which equates to taking 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams of berberine daily. Always talk with your healthcare provider before trying berberine supplements. Generally, berberine appears to be safe and well tolerated. In some situations, berberine may cause digestive side effects, such as diarrhea, constipation, flatulence, and stomach pain. If you're taking any medication, it's important to speak with your healthcare provider before taking berberine due to the risk of interactions. In particular, berberine may interact with medications at lower blood sugar, increasing the risk of hypoglycemia, or low blood sugar levels. It may also interact with medications that are processed by the liver. Berberine appears to be safe and well tolerated, but it may cause digestive issues in some people. If you're taking medications, make sure to speak with your healthcare provider before taking berberine. Berberine is an herbal supplement that's generally safe and well tolerated by people with type 2 diabetes. Research suggests it has powerful blood sugar lowering effects and may be as effective as various conventional type 2 diabetes medications, such as metformin, glucophage, rosiglitazone, Avandia, and glipizide, glucotrol. How does it work? Berberine has now been tested in hundreds of different studies. It has been shown to have powerful effects on many different biological systems. After you ingest berberine, it gets taken in by the body and transported into the bloodstream. Then it travels into the body's cells. Berberine may help you lose weight. Berberine may also be effective as a weight loss supplement. So far, 2 studies have examined the effects on body weight. In a 12-week study in obese individuals, 500 mg taken 3 times per day caused about 5 pounds of weight loss, on average. The participants also lost 3.6% of their body fat. Another more impressive study was conducted in 37 men and women with metabolic syndrome. This study went on for 3 months, and the participants took 300 mg, 3 times per day. The participants dropped their body mass index, BMI, levels from 31.5 to 27.4, or from obese to overweight in only 3 months. They also lost belly fat and improved many health markers. The researchers believe that the weight loss is caused by improved function of fat-regulating hormones, such as insulin, adiponectin and leptin. Berberine also appears to inhibit the growth of fat cells at the molecular level. However, more research is needed on the weight loss effects of berberine. Bottom line, 2 studies have shown that berberine can cause significant weight loss, while improving all sorts of other health markers at the same time. Other health benefits. Depression. Rat studies show that it may help fight depression. Cancer. Test tube and animal studies have shown that it can reduce the growth and spread of various different types of cancer. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It has been shown to have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects in some studies. Infections. It has been shown to fight harmful microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi and parasites. Fatty liver. It can reduce fat buildup in the liver, which should help protect against non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Heart failure. One study showed that it drastically improved symptoms and reduced risk of death in heart failure patients. Many of these benefits need more research before firm recommendations can be made, but the current evidence is very promising. Bottom line, preliminary studies show that berberine may have benefits against depression, cancer, infections, fatty liver and heart failure. It also has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Dosage and side effects. Many of the studies cited in the article used dosages in the range of 900 to 1,500 mg per day. It is common to take 500 mg, 3 times per day, before meals, a total of 1,500 mg per day. Berberine has a half-life of several hours, so it is necessary to spread your dosage to several times per day to achieve stable blood levels. This is especially important if you are currently taking blood sugar-lowering medications. Overall, berberine has an outstanding safety profile. The main side effects are related to digestion, and there are some reports of cramping, diarrhea, flatulence, constipation and stomach pain. Bottom line, a common dosage recommendation is 500 mg, 3 times per day, half an hour before meals. Berberine may cause digestive side effects in some people. Berberine is one of very few supplements that are as effective as a drug. It has powerful effects on various aspects of health, especially blood sugar control. If you want to try a berberine supplement, then there is a good selection of high-quality supplements available on Amazon in North America. Click in description below. Shopee in Thailand. The people who stand to benefit the most are individuals with type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. However, it may also be useful as a general protection against chronic disease, as well as an anti-aging supplement. If you have a medical condition or are on any medications, then it is recommended that you speak to your doctor before taking it.